My name is Niamh Ní Mhaolábhail. This is Aideen Smith. We go to Oiriall in Monaghan, and the name of our project is Test Your Tongue, the genetics behind your taste. Well, we did a project in first year similar to this, but we wanted to build on it because we didn't have enough time in first year. And basically my family are all some of them are picky, some of them aren't. So we wanted to see why was that and what difference the genetics behind your taste is and why some people are picky and why some people aren't. We did some research online and we found these strips of paper called PTC paper, and when you put them in your mouth you find different people get a different taste. Some people get a very strong taste and others get no taste. So that all depends on your genetic makeup and what type of taster you are. And then we wanted to see if that had any link with your BMI and your food preferences. So we made information packs and handed them out to students all across the county. And there was surveys and we asked the students to keep a food diary for 1 week. We found out that the super tasters are generally heavier than the non-tasters, which flips everything that has been done before on its head, because usually the super tasters, who are people with a lot of taste buds, are skinnier or lighter. And so what we found out is because in this day and age, because of convenience foods, that they are now heavier. But we found out that there is a statistical difference between the BMI of the super taster and the non-taster, and mostly in females, that the female super taster were heavier than the non-tasters, and that females were eating a lot less fats than males as well.